Hi, today I'm going to be doing a makeup look and a review of this little palette here, Technic Mesmerising Pressed Pigment Palette. Technic Cosmetics are a great sort of affordable cosmetic range. They do these palettes in 5 different colours and I shall do a video on each one. We've got the Hypnotise, Intrigued, Captivated and Enticed. These palettes are a dupe for the Huda Beauty 9-piece palettes, but I'm trying to see if I can create a really good look, just because simply the price is just too good to pass up a good look at it. So I'm going to start off with this colour here. The palette shades are a lovely mix between matte and shimmer. I normally start off with the matte shades and then you can pop one or multiple shimmers over the top. I mean, the pigmentation of this shade, considering the price of the palette, appears to be really good. I've already done an eyeshadow primer simply because it holds the colour on longer and we can get a better pull out of the pigmentation when it's got a base on there. Today I did put this on before I started the video, which is the MYX Pre-Fit. Okay, as this is the lightest colour of the palette, apart from obviously the shimmers, I'm just going to take it into the corner just slightly. Had there been like a sort of creamy beige tone, I think I may have used that one in the corner here, but we'll go for a full green look in this case. So I'm literally just going to use the colours in the palette. Okay, now I'm going to bring in the darker shade, which I'm going to go for this one here. I'm not going to take this one into the corner this time because obviously I want to open my eye up and I don't really want anything this dark in the corner. Just going to give those a real good blend. Back with the larger brush. With without the eyeshadow primer, I don't think we'd get the same kind of pigmentation, but with it, they are really, really good. So now what I'm going to do is bring a slightly darker colour just into the corners. Again, I'm sticking with the matte. So I'm going to add a little bit, tiny bit of the brown matte shade here. Just to darken up that green. I'm just going to, using a different brush now, it's like a flat. Just to pack a bit of this into the corner. I'm just going to blend that one again. I only want a little bit of it just to darken the green in the corner. Don't really want to show any of the brown. Because there's a nice dark shimmer shade that I'm going to use in a minute. Okay. Right, so now I'm going to put a bit more primer on the lid now, and then I'm going to do some shimmers over the top. Back using this again here. Just dabbing a little bit of this on here. Just going to give that a few minutes to set. While I'm doing that, I'm going to start doing the bottom colours. So I'm going to use one of these brushes here, which is just an angled thin brush. And I'm going to bring some of these colours along the bottom. So I'm going to start with the lighter colour again, the mint colour. I'm going to take that right through into the corner. A little bit of dust there. Just make sure we've got, again, what I would like to have done maybe is have like a silvery one in the corner. If we were going to mix and match some palettes, I probably would have done that, but I'm just doing this look with these shadows. There is a light one in here which I might use for the corner. It's just a little bit of a yellowy one. I like to try and keep the lighter colours in the corner and go through to darker ones on the outside. Okay, then I'm going to bring the darker colour in through the corner. Back to this one here. Gotta take this just to about there. Then I'm going to blend those again. Okay, right now the eyeshadow primer is nice and tacky now, it's nearly dried, so we can pop the shimmer over the top. So I'm going to use a tiny bit, I think, of this one here. This dark one now is ever so almost black, very, very dark green. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on the corner here. It's like a super dark, almost black colour. So I've got only a little, ever so slight shimmer to it. Okay, I'm going to give that a blend. Then on just for the middle part, I can't decide if I want to do the yellowy one for the whole bit or just blend those greens. I think I'm going to do that one and then I'm going to do that one. So for this one, I'm going to just use my fingertip now because A, my brushes are a little bit dirty, and B, I think I'll get it on better. So we're using this one here. And I'm just going to go into the area here. Just take it slightly over the dark green. A bit like a nice little mermaid kind of sheen to it, this one. Real pretty. So middle to the end of the corner there. It's more shadow than glitter. Right. I think then what I'm going to do, put a tiny bit more primer on in this corner bit. Just a bit of a dab here. And I think I'm going to take this lighter shimmer just into the corner. So I'll just take that in. Give that a couple of minutes just to set. Okay, that's pretty much set. So I'm just going to do the last colour. I also wash my finger as well. So I can use the same one for this. I'm going to go for this one here in the top left. Kind of, can't really describe the right colour for that. It's not olive green. If it is, it's a yellowy golden green. It should do really nice for the corner. It's a real pretty mermaidy colour. Right, so I'm just going to come slightly into that corner. Just kind of proves, I mean, look at that colour. These palettes are literally about £5 compared to, I think, the Huda ones. I'll put the price on here. I think they're in the good sort of £30 region, at least 25 to 30. It just gives you this lovely gradient of the glitter. Quite glittery, this one. I can just drag it into the middle colour, and then I make sure I haven't got any of the darker glitter. Just use a different finger for the corner. Just bring it into the corner. Right, I'm just going to have to clean this little bit up here with a cotton bud because I don't want it on my face. Okay, just to get rid of that glitter that's gone down there, I've used a tiny bit of makeup remover. think I need to go a bit of a darker concealer shade. I've used fake tan yesterday, and although I've got a lovely colour, my favourite concealer is a little bit too light, so. Okay, well, I'm going to just quickly do some eyeliner, pop some lashes on, and we can see the end effect. Okay, so I'm keeping this in totally with the Technic, so I'm going to use their, I think they're quite new, Faux Minx 3D lashes. I've gone for the style Los Angeles. Okay, there they are. Done. What do you think? I think the colour, for about £5, is absolutely amazing.